Hi there. Welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to configure the GM File Explorer to display related files for a specific record. To get started, go to an account and edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Create a new tab and name it Files. Go to the Component Explorer and search for GM File Explorer. Drag and drop the component into the new tab. Set a Documents as a label for the component. The GM File Explorer has 4 different views: Table, Tree, Gallery, and the Carousel view. We'll set it as the default. Check Enable Delete to display the Delete button. Check Enable Copy, Paste to display the Copy and Paste buttons. Check Enable Search by Topic. This feature improves the search process by providing accurate and focused outcomes that match users' interests. Check Update Topic. Check Collapse Carousel Split View. This feature allows users to easily see all the file details, especially on the carousel view. Check Show Border. You can filter which file you want to display. Accepted Format. Here you can precise which format you want to upload. We will try it later. Once you've saved your work, click Back. You can easily manage your files using the File Explorer. Switch between views by clicking on the buttons. Click Refresh to refresh the File Explorer. Let's try to upload some files. There is no limit to the number of files we can upload. We can cancel some files if needed. Click Done. The files are uploaded. Select the carousel view and select a file. On the carousel view, you'll get a complete preview of the file and see the file details using the split view. We can also add tags. And use the toolbar to make mass actions, like delete one or selection of files. Or download one or a selection of files. We can copy and paste from one record to another. Select a different record. Click Paste. The file pasted successfully. Or move them to another record using the Cut and Paste. Click Cut. Select a different record. Click Paste. The file pasted successfully. As you can see, the file is moved. You can also delete or download a single file using the drop-down arrow on all the views. You can preview the file in the tree view. Let's try to use the Accepted Format option. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Set only PDF files to upload. Click Save. Click Back. Let's try to upload some files. We only have the permission to upload PDF files. With the GM File Explorer, you can easily manage your files and streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching.